Hello everyone, my name is Stanley. I hope everyone doing well. Today I want to present my redesigned book cover. First of all, objective of this project. So as you know, this project goal is redesigning a book cover for our choice only using typography, not pictures. I chose 1984, written by George Orwell. 1984 is a dystopian novel to criticize totalitarianism and mass surveillance. The story begins with the life of Winston Smith being monitored by the party and Big Brother for every minute and every second. He is working at the Minister of Truth, where he rewrites historical record. Then one day he gets a secret note from a woman named Julia. The book contains what happened to the Winston Smith after he got note. Before designing, I did some research work. I researched the book covers that already exist. It wasn't that difficult. This book is old, so there's many different versions out there. As you can see, they use a lot of eyes, which is a symbol of Big Brother, and red or dark color because it's matched to the dark theme of the 1984. So I used this color and eye symbol to my design too. Next, I found some inspiring work of typography. I found mainly typography work that were torn or overlapped each other because I want to make a book cover which can give a feeling of censorship. After research, I drew 30 thumbnails. This is my thumbnail. I tried to experiment different styles and use eye symbol. If you see my thumbnail, you can see Big Brother is watching you sentence all over my thumbnails. I thought that using famous quote was a good solution to make people who didn't know this book attempt to read, especially for classic books like 1984. I like all my thumbnails, but I thought this two design is the strongest one, so I developed this two design to the semi-common level. First semi was this. I made a lot of eyes looking front and only one eye looking side. It represents story directly. I use parentheses and dot to make an eye, so there's not any illustration here. I only use type. And also I use red and blue color because I thought that it would be good to use two contrasting color together to make attention. Second design. It is torn and blue background is visible between black torn book cover. And on red bold title, there's a Big Brother is watching you written by 4 different font is arranged in a complicated way. Again, it shows 1984 is dark story controlled by powerful party well, and also looks interesting. I generally think the simple back cover design is better because people read the back cover to get short summary, so I didn't write a lot of things in back cover, so there's a little bit disadvantage of looking empty at the back. I included everything I need: UPC, author name, ICBN, published logo, and title. And here's my final work. I chose second semi-composition for final. This is because the second design conveys more meaning clearly and draw attention. In final level, to remove this advantage of looking empty at the back, so I put torn parts more in the back, in top here. Now it is well balanced the previous one, and also I use a lot of different font here to make a back and front cover have the same feeling. And then it is the markup version of my book cover. As you can see, the torn paper, it is well linked together. So, finally, why my design is work. First of all, it complements the shortcoming of the title. So, 1984 is challenging title to redesign the book cover, because usually book cover should convey the feeling or story of the book. But 1984 nothing. 1984 is just year and number. So I put Big Brother is watching you sentence on the cover. So that's why people can know the story or feeling of this book. So my design overcome the problem of the title. Second, it is visually pleasing because my design is well balanced and also the color combination is good. Lastly, it expressed the story of 1984 well. I think that every novel book cover should contain story of the book well, and if you see my book cover, you can see it is a dark theme and also it conveys serious story. So that's why I think that my design is good. Thank you for listening my long video, and I hope everyone doing well. Bye!